One of my favourite stories about the stars is this one called Can You See the Stars Tonight? And it's by Anna Terreras Martin. And it tells about a little girl called Nora and a puffin. And the puffins are getting lost because they can't use the stars to navigate their way. So we're going to pick up part way through where Nora is investigating why she can't see the stars. Much later, as they drank hot chocolate under the night sky, Nora suddenly understood the problem. "Look how bright the town is, Puffin," cried Nora. "We can't see the moon and stars at all. No wonder the pufflings are getting confused and flying towards all those electric lights instead. But how do we get everyone in town to reduce the light pollution they make?" Puffin asked. Once home, Nora immediately began working on a solution to the light pollution coming from their town. But it wasn't easy. "Oh, Puffin, I can't do it. I am just one little girl. What difference can I make?" She was feeling overwhelmed and hopeless. "Start small, Nora," said Puffin encouragingly. "How can we reduce the light in our home?" Wiping the tears from her eyes, Nora nodded, and after a bit more thinking, "I know," she announced. "We can create special light shields for the lights outside and make sure everyone closes their curtains at night." "These are brilliant," said Puffin. "Thanks, Puffin. Let's show everyone at school tomorrow too. Maybe if we all work together, we'll be able to make a difference." The next day, and with Puffin's help, Nora brought everything she needed to tell her class all about the pufflings getting lost. And she showed them her light shield. "But to make it work, everyone needs to help," said Nora, feeling nervous. "What a great idea! Oh, poor Puffling, I can't wait to help." Nora was excited that everyone in her class wanted to work together to help the pufflings. She was glad she had been brave. They spent the afternoon making more light shields, and at the end of the day, everyone took their shield home and told their families. That evening, the whole town turned off their lights, closed their curtains, and put up their light shields. And when night fell, the sky looked brighter and more beautiful than it had ever had been. I wonder what happens next in the story. So that is Can You See the Stars Tonight? Have a look and see if you can see the stars outside tonight.